Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create PDF on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to create PDFs, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to install a third-party app for this because no every Android phones support that feature. So open your Play Store app and here just go for search and you just have to search for PDF generator or creator. Just search for anything and here you must have to select any app which you want to install. Let's say I'm going to install this app with 4.8 ratings. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. You just have to wait for its installation. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here we're going to convert our images to PDF. So let's see how. Just select scan to PDF, and here you can easily get scanned to PDF. First just skip this ad. After the ad, just enable this permission, and here you must have to scan any PDF here, or you can easily import photos. Just tap on this plus icon and here you will easily get all of your images. Here let's say I'm going to select this photo, just tap on it, then tap on import, and here you can easily make adjustments from here if you want. When you have, just tap on this done option and it will automatically generate a PDF here. Just tap on convert to PDF, and here you can easily rename your PDF as I'm going to rename it just like that. Now tap on convert, and you can see our PDF has been ready. Just tap on this open option to open your PDF. So that's how you can easily create PDF on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.